Yo, what's going on, man? I'm back at it. Today we're doing a vlog of an HVAC technician. We got the crane, got the evap down there. It's good, y'all. Doing an evap swap today. Gotta get this bad boy up out of here. This how you make some money right here. Swapping out evaps. What we make today, like 7,800? That's crazy. They might as well just bought a new unit. Got it on the roof. Now it's time to take it apart. I should have recorded me breaking this damn wood apart, but I will next time. But y'all see it. Yeah, this right here, this is disgusting. This is a drain pan. Evap got out of there. This is where the fun begins. Putting a new one in there. We struggled for a little bit, but we ended up getting it right, man. Y'all bear with us. This me thinking we done got it right. Nope. 1 second. Oh shit. Scared the shit out of us. It did that because it wasn't in place. The screws weren't in there. So I went around, got the drill. Impact, I should say. Come back around. Start looking for the screws. Can't find them. My boy come over here with a whole, basically, container just of screws. I'm like, oh shit, we lit. We end up getting that in place. This is me brazing. I'm a rookie at this, so don't judge my brazing skills, man. If y'all wondering why I got this green hat on, man, it was 95 degrees at 12 o'clock. That don't make no sense. But here's my finished product. It alright. Tell me what y'all think. Should give my baby a wash by time. Gotta get her somewhat clean, man. Still a little dirty. I know y'all can see it. Yo, what's good, y'all? I'm back at it again. This time outside with it. Got my dog with me too. Let's get that outside work. Yo, I'm alive still, man. Let them know, bro. Come here. Let them know you good. You finna die too. That's the end of the video. Y'all tune in next time. Thank y'all.